guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see in the title, we're gonna talk about maybe some words that you can use in your kitchen. Because I think recently I spent a lot of time in the kitchen, so it might be good for you guys to know how to say those things in your kitchen. So let's start it. So like usual, I wrote it down. Today we're gonna from chopstick, 筷子. I think some of you don't know how to use chopsticks, so we can say 我不会用筷子。我不会用筷子。用 means use. Now 我不会用 I don't know how to use it. Or if you can say 我会用筷子。我会用筷子。I know how to use the chopsticks. Then plate. 盘子。盘子。盘子。And I think for 盘 we can also use it as a measure word. For example, 一盘饺子。一盘饺子 means a plate of dumplings. 一盘饺子 or 一盘牛肉。一盘牛肉 a plate of beef. Or also bowl. I think we already learned that one. 碗 for example, 一碗面条. We can also use it as a measure word. 一碗面条 like one bowl of noodles. Or soup 汤 so we can say 一碗汤 一碗汤 For example, 今天我喝了一碗汤今天我喝了一碗汤 Today I drank a bowl of soup. Or we need to use spoon to eat ice cream or soup. So it's spoon is 勺子 So we can say 用勺子喝汤用勺子喝汤 Use the spoon to drink the soup. 用勺子喝汤 And if we eat 牛排 if we eat steak, like beef steak, we need to use knife and fork. So knife is 刀 and fork is 叉 or you can say 叉子 So 我们用刀和叉吃牛排 So it's like beef steak. The same chicken steak will be 鸡排 and the pork steak will be 猪排 So we can say, for example, we can, besides knife we use to eat, we also have the cut the knife to cut maybe the vegetables or other things. So that will be dish cutter is 菜刀 And I think we also maybe when we cut the papers sometimes we use scissors. It's 剪刀 But we also can use some knife, like small knife. I don't have one, but small knife is 小刀. Also, when we cut the dishes or like the meat, we cut it on the cardboard. So cardboard is 菜板 板 means board. For example, we can say blackboard 黑板 or whiteboard 白板. So 菜板 is the cardboard for cutting all the dishes. 菜板. So, and I think kettle for the boil water will be 水壶 So also we can use 热水壶 热水 means hot water. So 热水壶. And as Chinese we eat rice. I can say me, I need to eat rice every day. So of course we need to use the rice cooker. It's 电饭煲 So I can say 用电饭煲蒸米饭 用电饭煲蒸米饭 And if we need to fry something like the dishes, to cook the dishes, we need a pot, right? You already know how to say hot pot. Hot pot is 火锅 and 火 means fire. So 锅 of course it means pot. 锅 And I think that we have different For example, 汤锅, 汤锅 is the pot that used to cook soup. And we also have 平底锅, 平 means flat. So I think 平底锅means flat flat pot you use to stir fry things. From where I came from the province in the south of China, so I think the local, cooking culture in our place, like we like stir fry all the dishes. So for example, 炒饭, like stir fry rice, and like 炒牛肉, stir fry the beef. We just enjoy stir fry everything, 炒一切. And also have oven, the oven, 烤箱. So 箱 is actually means case. So we can say 冰箱. 冰 means ice. Now 冰箱 you can say, well, it's like a case but with ice in it. Yeah, it's refrigerator. It's fridge. 冰箱. Also, we do have another 箱, for example. You can say 我的箱子在哪里? Where's my case? And also we have microwave. It's 微波炉. So like you can use the microwave to heat up something, right? So we can say 加热 means heat. So 我们可以说我们用微波炉加热食物. We use it to heat up the food. 我们用微波炉加热食物. And also the sink, 水池. So for example, you can say 把碗放在水池里. Put the dishes on, in the sink, 在水池里. And when we wash dishes, which I hate, is 洗碗. I hate it. 我讨厌洗碗. And when we wash it, we need to use the wash soap, the dish soap. It's like 洗洁精. And also we have table cover, right? Table cover. 桌布. But even if we have 桌布, 我们有桌布, sometimes we still need to use the rag to, mop it. So the rag is 抹布. Okay, now let's review. I think I pretty cover most of it, and maybe I forgot one or two, and when I remembered, I will tell you guys again. So now let's review it together. I think we learned chopsticks, 筷子, we can say 用筷子吃饭. 中国人用筷子吃饭. The Chinese they are using chopsticks to eat. 中国人用筷子吃饭. Then it's plate, 盘子. Then it's bowl, 碗. Don't forget 盘 and 碗. We can use it as measure word, like a plate of something, a bowl of something. And also knife, 刀. So the knife we use to cut the dishes or the meat will be 菜刀, or scissors, 剪刀. And we also have the cardboard, 菜板. While 板 means board, we do have 黑板, blackboard, 白板, whiteboard. And also we use the fork, 叉子, and spoon, 勺子. And a kettle, 水壶 or 热水壶. And rice cooker, 电饭煲, because 电 means electric or electricity. So for example, we say 电脑, the computer, and we say the TV, 电视. And next one is pot, 锅, hot pot, 火锅. And flat pot is 平底锅. And the pot you use to cook soup is 汤锅. And oven, 烤箱. And refrigerator, 冰箱. 冰箱 and microwave 微波炉 so heat up is 加热 and I think there still a few more to go 水池 think 水池 and when 我们洗碗的时候 when we wash the dishes we use the dish soap it's 洗洁精 and we do have the table cover 桌布 we still need to use rag right we still need to use rag 抹布 So I think that's pretty much all for today. I don't remember how much no, it's not like how much I remember. I don't know how much you guys can remember, but try to remember as much as you can and try to use them in your like daily life. Again, this is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿。If you like my videos and you are looking forward to more videos about Chinese learning, you are welcome to subscribe my channel and give a like. And yeah, don't forget if you do have any question or advice for me, please leave a message below. I will appreciate that and I will respond as soon as possible. Alright, now I think I need to go back to the kitchen because there's still something in my oven, 烤箱, so I hope it's not burnt yet. Okay, alright, bye guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.